Top story, the Aam Aadmi Party, which claims to be a party of the common man for the common man, is now itself batting for VIP culture. Well, the Kejriwal government issued a list of practices to be followed by officials while dealing with MPs and MLAs. As per the order, the officials have been asked to show courtesy and consideration to MPs and MLAs. The officials have been told to rise to receive the public representatives and see them off too. Arrangements will have to be made in advance to receive them in office if a visit is scheduled. Besides, the order says that proper seating arrangements should be made at public functions. Meanwhile, the BJP and Congress have lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party for this order.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस तरह के किसी भी सर्कुलर का समर्थन नहीं करती। ये वीआईपी कल्चर कम से कम सरकारों में हम सेवक के रूप में आए हैं। हम सरकार में किसी तरह की जो सामंतवादी व्यवस्था के रूप की जो चीज़ें हैं उनको ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं, और सेवक अगर आप हैं तो आपको इस तरह के प्रोटोकॉल की आवश्यकता नहीं।
देखिए, ये आम आदमी पार्टी, मैंने पहले भी कहा कि जो इनके कार्य हैं, जिस तरीके से इनका नाम आप की जगह खाप होना चाहिए। ये खाप पार्टी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये खास आदमियों की पार्टी बन गई। आम आदमी की पार्टी किसी भी रूप में नहीं। जब आप आम आदमियों की तरह बर्ताव करने की बात को चुनाव से पूर्व करते हैं और चुनाव के होने के बाद में, जीतने के बाद आप सर्कुलर जारी करते हैं कि आपको सी ऑफ भी करना जाए और आपको वीवीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट आपको दी जाए, तो यह आम आदमी पार्टी को नाम अपना बदल करके खास आदमी पार्टी नहीं करे तो फिर और हम क्या डिमांड करें?
Well, what I'm going to do is cut across to my colleague Simi Pasha, but before that, let's quickly dip in to what the Chief Minister of Delhi had to say in his justification.
हम लोग दिल्ली से एक और नई किस्म की शुरुआत करना चाहते हैं। ये वीआईपी कल्चर खत्म करना चाहते हैं। आप खुद ही बताओ, आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या कि जब सड़क के ऊपर से कोई बड़ा मंत्री जा रहा हो और सारी सड़क 1 घंटे के लिए बंद कर दी जाए, सारा ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाए? या आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या कि लाल बत्ती की गाड़ी लगा के कोई मंत्री पू 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 टू टू करता हुआ निकल जाए? मुझे पता चला है कई यूरोप के डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में, विकसित देशों में, वहां के प्रधानमंत्री आपको बस स्टैंड के ऊपर खड़े मिल जाते हैं।
All right, so this was when Arvind Kejriwal had taken oath as the Chief Minister of Delhi. I want to bring in Simi Pasha. Simi, what is the plausible explanation now given by the Aam Aadmi Party for giving out instructions such as the ones that they have?
Preeti, absolutely none. Aam Aadmi Party, the government, Delhi government has issued this circular saying that special care should be taken to acknowledge the presence of any VIPs amidst their midst. This is a circular that's been issued for bureaucrats saying that if any MP or MLA walks into your room, you should get up, stand up from your seat, receive them. You should also, while they finish the function and walk out, you should walk out and leave them, drop them to their car. Also saying that MPs and MLAs of areas should invariably be invited to any public function organized by a government office, saying that it's clarified that if a constituency of any MP or MLA is spread over more than one district, they should invariably be invited to all functions. Special and comfortable seating arrangements should be made for them. Also saying letters from MPs and MLAs must be promptly acknowledged. Now, this is of course a party that shot to power because it said it's a party of Aam Aadmi. Arvind Kejriwal, I remember, lots of times said that elected representatives are servants of the common man. They said we're public servants, we're here to serve the common public, but obviously they're looking for special privileges and special respect for themselves. All right,
stay on with me, Simi. We have Mr. Rilmi from the Aam Aadmi Party, Ijaz Ilmi, who's on the phone line with us. What do you make of it, sir?
Dr. Ijaz Ilmi from the BJP, Preeti.
Yeah, I beg your pardon. Yes, from the BJP, sir. Tell me, what do you make of it, sir?
I think it's a VIP syndrome that has afflicted Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. It's the desire to get accepted, and obviously the power has gone to the head, and that is why such banal circulars are coming up. It is just a desire to get recognized, and with most of the MLAs in trouble and numerous of them having cases against them, it's just to make sure that you get noticed, that you can exercise influence. After having browbeaten the bureaucrats, it's an attempt to further browbeat them, and you can't demand respect in this country. You have to earn respect. This is an attempt to browbeat them and command by force their respect through circulars.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Dr. Ilmi. Well, the Congress and the BJP clearly taking on the Aam Aadmi Party for